just got back from the Philly Bike Expo and we got some great ideas to pimp up your bike. Watch this and you will be super cool looking.
Something kind of unique about our wheels is that we make a lot of our wheels with aluminum spokes as opposed to the traditional steel spoke. You can customize the color, you can anodize the spokes in, you know, one of our like 10 or 11 colors. But the other reason is that the aluminum spoke just has a more kind of stiff ride quality, so the wheel tends to perform a little better. It doesn't feel as soft under more extreme riding conditions. The performance is a big selling point, and then the fact that you can go ahead and customize, you know, make a full rainbow wheel to just really go crazy. We have this cool thing on our website where you can sit there and click every spoke and custom design your spokes in your wheel to be whatever.
So we have these Lezyne matrix bike taggers. They go with the Apple AirTag, which is like a small GPS device. It fits inside of these. You pop it open, you put the AirTag inside. It's sold separately. They retail for about $30. And then you mount this whole thing to your bicycle. This one can go under your bottle cage. It's pretty discreet. We have another that is actually a bottle cage with an integrated holder. You can hardly see it. It's right back here. It's for anyone who's looking to keep track of their bike, even if it happens to go missing on them.
You put it on all kinds
You can put it on all bikes. Bottle cage mounts are universal. They're all the same. As long as your bike takes a bottle cage, you can put this on there. If it doesn't take a bottle cage, you can always mount the one that goes right under your saddle, just to the rails on the back of your saddle.
Ignite component cranks. If you know someone who is into bikes and likes a little bit of color in their life, Ignite components cranks. That could be a great gift. It's about $600 for a set of cranks.
Wow. Yep, there you go. Woo!
Right now, especially as bikes are getting more expensive, it's really important to consider and look at safety and security. What we're most known for is our folding locks. This has the ability to change in all different directions, so it's more secure than a bicycle chain, but it's easier to carry and transport than a U-lock. Abus has multiple different varieties, everything from your super lightweight, easy if you want to run in for a cup of coffee, all the way up to our Bordeaux smart alarms that you use your smartphone. As you approach it, it'll automatically unlock and disable the alarm for you. Multiple different mounts that you can mount, or we even have the under the saddle mount. So if you only have one water bottle cage and you have difficult to fit, we've got that. It's very difficult to get a bolt cutter onto a flat surface. So it's easier to cut through a U-lock than it would be one of these.
One of these on my bike, a Yoda. Who doesn't like baby Yoda? He's so darn cute. I found these on eBay, but you can get cool ones on Etsy and Amazon. So make sure you get the right valve cap for your tires, Presta or Schrader. As Yoda would say, always pass on what you've learned.
Diane has on a Bolero, and a Bolero is like a shrug. It keeps her neck warm, her back warm, and her arms warm, like an arm warmer would, except it's got your back covered. I got your back covered, girl. And when you're done riding, just take it off, roll it up, stick it in your back pocket of your thermal line vest, if you happen to be wearing that.
Or your jersey.
Or your jersey. All my jerseys have 3 deep pockets.
Right.
This will fit in here, or it'll fit in here.
Wonderful.
While you're riding, you can actually just pop that in and you're set.
We can't wait to hear how you pimped up your bike. Hope to see you riding. Yeah, really.